Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we will be sharing an updates about the testing job opportunities for the experienced people. And we have got the referral email addresses of the people who are looking forward, who have come forward to help the people who are looking for the job opportunities, right? But there is a humble request from our side that please don't spam their emails. Drop the email only if you are eligible for the job description, for the job, looking into the job description, right? And before that, if you're watching this video for the very first time, then please do hit like, share, and subscribe our channel. And we also would like to tell you about a new digital product that we have launched. So this is about how to explain Selenium test automation framework in an interview. So if you see this product, if you go through this document, it will help you end to end, which are the different steps like CI/CD guide, CI/CD pipelines integration, then how the framework has been integrated with the SRC slash test slash resources, or all those components that are present in the framework. How to explain these things in an interview, that will be explained in this particular document, right? And the cost is very nominal, right? It is less than the cost of a dairy milk chocolate as well. So please do take advantage of this. And now let's move forward to the job opportunities, right? So again, as we had shared earlier, please don't spam their emails. Otherwise, such kind of people, are very rare to find on earth in today's world, right? So the first company is IBM Ahmedabad. So they are going to hire the automation or manual testing people with 4 to 7 years of experience, right? So this is a job opportunity from IBM Ahmedabad company, and you can also say Gift City. It's Gandhinagar, right? And the current opening positions that they have is of an automation test engineer and manual test engineer. As of now, they haven't revealed that detail, what kind of automation programming knowledge should be there, but someone who is having automation experience can apply. 4 to 7 years of experience, and this is the email address, hemantkumar.parikh@ibm.com, right? But again, I request you to not to spam these emails, right? You can also approach this person on LinkedIn and you can ask for referral, right? And yes, please do hit like button on this video. The target count is 1,000 likes in 2 days, right? HCL Technologies for various programs that they have. So this is the email address, prasanna.masil@hcl.com. She is actually a leading recruiter, I would say the senior recruiter in HCL Technologies itself. And if anyone is having more than 5+ years of experience and has been recently laid off or is looking for a job opportunity, then you can share your CV with this particular person. So again, they are looking for someone with Selenium plus Java, has frameworks knowledge of page object model, data driven, Cucumber BDD, all these things, right? And so again, they will be asking questions on frameworks. And the first question would be how to explain the framework in an interview. So that thing we have covered in the digital product. Then ETL, big data, SQL, banking, capital markets, payments, and they're looking for immediate joiners. I know this is a kind of an thing that we have been facing these days. Every company has 2 or 3 months of notice period, but they are looking for immediate joiners. So what to do? So we will be trying to cover that video as well very soon. Location is Chennai, Hyderabad, and Bangalore. In the subject line, you are expected to mention skill, right? And resumes with CTC and notice period will be considered. So you have to ensure you write CTC and notice period properly. Okay, then Macro Technologies is actively hiring. They are hiring for uh, Android trainee, WordPress developer, PHP developer. Yes, I know you would be focused on QA analyst. So again, yes, 1+ years of experience is required in this particular company. And they have got some benefits also, like 5 days a week, work-life balance, all these things, right? And you can share your CV at this particular email address. Now, manual testing, hiring, work from home, remote job, right? So senior QA tester for the content company, and this is the email address. This is the HR's email address itself. You can directly send your CV to this particular email address. Apart from that, Tech Extensor Private Limited is looking for QA automation. The location will be Thaltej, Ahmedabad. You can share your CV at this particular email address. Experience required will be 1+ years. So these are few of the job opportunities which are available in the market. There are many other, but we have got few of the referral direct email addresses of HRs and the people who have come forward to help the world in this kind of time when the cost cutting layoffs are happening. So please do take advantage of these things, but don't spam their emails. Don't send them emails every day. You can follow up on your email maybe after 2 or 3 days, right? Like today is what today is Thursday, so Thursday and Friday you can send, and then you can follow up by Tuesday, right? Don't send on Saturdays, Sundays, all these things. So there is a mechanism for sending an email professionally as well, right? So we will be coming up with that video also, right? But before that, if you're watching this video for the very first time, then please do hit like button, share it in your network so that it reaches to the maximum people. There is no cost of this video. This video is absolutely free, but we need support from you people in liking, so that in liking this video, so that we get motivated for continuing such kind of things in the future, right? So thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.